wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my parents don't drink, or they drink, but they don't drink, you know, they do, like, there are, like, many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and this is alcohol, you know, you have alcohol. So when you have a drunk drinking alcohol, or you can, it could be that you take your, like, beer, and you're incredibly tipsy. So, like, I know, like, some people have just been, like, the first time they could go home, and they're just drunk around their family, no, but they haven't told them. So, yeah. It's like small stuff.
I'm not sorry. Like, I don't have a good case against like.